Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to upload the highest quality Instagram Reels. So if you don't want your Instagram Reels to be compressed by Instagram, you need to do this setting. So first open your Instagram and then go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top right and go to settings, and then here scroll down until you find the preferences. You need to click on the preferences and then scroll down to the cellular data use. Click on that, and here you can see there's an option to upload at highest quality. So this option will allow you to always upload the highest quality photos, videos, and even if the uploading takes longer. So when this is off, Instagram will automatically adjust upload quality to fit the network conditions. So you need to turn it on until it turns to blue, and then before you upload your reels, I'm going to upload a reels. Go to reels, and here I'm going to choose just a random video, and then I'm going to click add and next again. So here, before you uploading, just scroll down until you find the advanced settings. Click on that, and you need to make sure that the upload at highest quality is turned on like this. Okay guys, so that is all for me. That's how you can upload the highest quality Instagram Reels. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.